Hello and welcome to Dizasolutions. So, in today's video, you already know what the topic is, but if you are new on this channel, I just want you to check out some other videos that I have here. They are helpful videos that can help you. I talk about cryptocurrency, making money, and tech tutorials that will help us in our daily activities. So that is all what I do on this channel. So if this sounds interesting to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. Please pardon my voice. I'm actually having cold, so pardon my voice. So now let's go straight to how we can actually avoid people from adding you to groups unnecessarily. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on the icon at the top right corner, this three icon here. You can see the three dots. You can see the three dots at the top. So when you tap on that, the next thing is to go to settings, and when you're settings, you click on account. So that is account. After that, let's see what will happen. Okay, so after that, you click on privacy. All right, so when you tap on privacy, you scroll down all the way where you can see groups, live location, blocked contacts. Then click on groups. So after tapping on groups, you can see who can add me to groups. Everyone, my contacts except. So here you can decide to choose any of the above. You can see admins who can add you to a group will have the option of inviting you privately instead. So it now depends on what you want. Is it everyone that wants to add you or your contacts? So having chosen any of these, let's assume I want my contacts. You click on done and you're done. So don't forget to give this video a like if you've got some value, and comment in the comment section if it was helpful. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. My new subscribers, I see you all. So that is all about that. So that is what I'm bringing to you today. Do have a lovely weekend. See ya in my next video. Bye.